Introducing the 2021 Dodge Challenger. This vehicle still has fewer than 5,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Challenger thrills with raw power and intimidates with a sinister stance, while its fine craftsmanship, comfort, safety, and efficiency make it a desirable choice for enthusiasts. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Take your lust for power to the next level. Drive the Challenger.